In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the error message, "There was a problem with the NVIDIA app," all in just about 5 minutes. Let's dive right into the process to troubleshoot and resolve this issue effectively. First, we need to open the Device Manager on your PC. You can do this by heading to the Start menu and typing Device Manager in the search bar. Once Device Manager appears in the list, go ahead and click on it to open. This window will display a list of all the hardware components installed on your computer, and it's here where we'll focus our attention to resolve the NVIDIA app issue. Now, in the Device Manager window, you'll need to locate the Display Adapters section. Click the arrow next to it to expand the list of display adapters you have on your device. Among the options, look for your NVIDIA graphics card. It might say something like NVIDIA GeForce, followed by the model number. Once you've found your NVIDIA graphics card, we'll need to update its drivers. Right-click on the NVIDIA card in the list and choose Update Driver from the context menu. Updating drivers can often resolve unexpected issues because it ensures your hardware is paired with the latest supported software. A new window will pop up asking how you'd like to search for drivers. Here, choose Browse My Computer for drivers. This option allows you to manually navigate through the available drivers on your system, a step that can sometimes be necessary if the automatic search doesn't find the right drivers. After that, select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. This manual step provides you control over which driver version to install, potentially reverting or updating to the most compatible option for your hardware. In the list that appears, choose your NVIDIA graphics card and then click Next. Once you've completed installing the driver, the system may prompt you to restart. But before doing so, let's check if the update has resolved the issue by relaunching the NVIDIA app. This will determine if showcasing the latest driver version compatibility has fixed the problem. If you still face issues after updating drivers, another step to consider is reinstalling the NVIDIA app completely. This approach ensures that any corrupted files are replaced with a fresh installation. Simply head to your control panel, select NVIDIA from the list of installed programs, and choose to uninstall. After you've removed it, head over to NVIDIA's official website to download and install the latest version of the app. By following these steps, you should resolve the problem with the NVIDIA app in just a few minutes. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.